Look how busy I've been today making all of these treats. UVDTF is really child's play.
Ailey made this design for you. Hasn't she done a good job of it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think she could do one for me?
Mm.
No. Oh. Wouldn't be very good if it had an O on, would it? What letter would I need?
The.
Yeah, well done. But I could still have it in pink, couldn't I?
Yeah.
What have we got here first of all?
We got a sticker.
So we've got this, which is our UVDTF transfer, and Orla has chosen the pink colour. So today we're going to use UVDTF, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, okay. So we're going to pop that. We'll take the straw out just to make it a little bit easier, and we'll pop that there and I'll hold it, okay? So we're going to put the transfer on this part of the cup, okay? So can you remember how to peel the transfer?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell people what you need to do?
So you need to put your thumb here, then get your other thumb here, then peel it off like this.
That's amazing. Excellent. So we're going to put it on here, so we need to make sure it's straight, so it is. Oh, and then we'll put it on there where you would like it to go. Fantastic. So remember what we need to do? So we need to press it, don't we, to make sure it's all stuck to the cup. So you do that. Amazing. And then remember how we rub it over, so we just want to get any air bubbles out. So you go over the transfer. So it's like you're ironing it, isn't it? Can you remember how to take these off?
Yeah.
Do you want to show everybody how we do it then?
So you peel it off very slowly.
You do it slowly. That's the trick, isn't it? So it's okay if sometimes you pull it off, you haven't pressed it down, it might come up, but that's okay because you can go back and you just give it a little press.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're doing a brilliant job. You're an expert at this.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't really need any help, did you? Amazing. Okay. Ta-da! There we go. How about that?
Good. All of this is thirsty work.